conditional formatting, or you can also call it as alerts, which are useful to highlight the data, which are helpful to highlight the data based upon the condition that whatever you are going to define. Okay, whatever you are going to define. For example, let's say I have, let's say, subcategory, okay, subcategory as well as the sales one, sales. Look at this. Okay, fine. Let me have the labels here. Now, let's say I would like to define a rule by saying that if sum of sales is greater than or is equal to 15,000, it should show it in a green, otherwise red. So for that, whenever you are dealing with sort of conditional formatting, we are going to introduce a terminology called calculation field, and you have one more calculation is called parameter. Okay, you will come to know that, both you will come to know. But at this moment, let me focus on calculation field. So this calculation field is nothing but just like your customizations. So whatever the customization you need, you are going to define it over here as per the need basis. So now I am going to introduce what? Calculation field. And what is the rule? See, here I am using some kind of a formula, like if formula, okay, something like that. Okay, now look at this. So where do you see this calculation field? Look at this. On the top left, on the left bottom, you see this option, right? Just right click over here. You will see this create calculate field, or else you can do one thing. Go to analysis. You see create calculate field. Both you can see it. Okay, calculate field. Yes. Now give a calculation. Let's say I'm giving it as, let's say, like big class, something like big C. Now you have to write down what? If. Yep. If of what? If of what? Sales. Sum of sales. Okay. Sum of what? Sum of sales. See. If sum of sales. If sum of sales is greater than or is equal to 15,000, okay, then what? It should show it in a green color. If not, it should show it in a red color. So you have to write down a formula like this. Okay. Even if you missed out something, right? Look at this. It will show you that this calculation containing errors. So you have to make sure that you have to follow the syntaxes also. And whenever you are using this kind of a functionality, look at this. It gives you, okay, it gives you the syntax on the top right side. So that syntax you have to follow that syntax again. Okay, so don't forget that. Right? Fine. So if your syntax is good, now look at this. The calculation is valid. Something like that. Okay. Just click apply and then OK. Fine. Now what you have, this is what? Calculation field you have it here, right? Now see, this calculation field which are having this rule, what is the rule? If sum of sales is greater than or is equal to 15,000, it should be green. If not, red. Something like that. Okay. Now, so that rule I am going to pass it under colors. What happened? Look at this. Now we have to change it manually, these colors. Yes, no doubt about it. Now go to edit colors. So green, yes, red. Here we go. So wherever it is exceeding greater than 15,000, it is showing it in a green color. That is the rule, right? Look at this. This is the rule, isn't it? Wherever it is exceeding 15,000, it should be green. If not, it should be red. So this is the rule. See? Okay? This is the way, guys. This is the way you can define conditional formats. Okay? And this one is right exclusively, this is what? Static. Which is nothing but constant. You are defining the inputs here. That is what? Static conditional format. Okay? And that too you are dealing with only single. Whenever you are dealing with the single values, we are going to use if, if. And whenever you are going to deal with multiple values, you are going to is if, okay. So you have to identify the difference. This is for single values and this is for multiple values. So don't forget that. Okay. Now, so what is the rule? Let's say I would like to deal with the multiple conditional format. Okay. Let's say this one is what? I can say single conditional format. Now the second one, what am I going to do? Multiple conditional format. So first what you're supposed to do, as I told you, you have to create a calculation field. Either you can choose from here rightly, you can choose here, or else go to analysis, you have what? Calculation field. Fine. So you have to define a role. What is this? Multiple calculated field. Sorry, multiple conditional format. Fine. Now, what is the rule? This is the rule, guys. Simple. Okay. So the rule is, if sum of sales is greater than 26,000, okay, it should be green. If not, if sum of sales greater than 20,000 and less than 25,000, I mean to say in between 20 to 25,000, it should be blue color. If less than 20,000, it should be red color. So this is what you need to define. This is the rule. Look at the rule, guys. I would like to know the subcategory as per the sales wise. But if it is greater than or equal to 26,000, it should be shown in a green color. If it is in between 20 and 25, then it should show me as a blue color. If not, it should show me red color. If it is less than 20,000. Okay. So for that again, what you get? Simple. Look at this. If sum of sales greater than specific value, then green color, then green. Else if, here I am using else if. If not, else if sum of sales greater than 20,000 and 25,000, then it should be blue. Else if again. Else if sum of sales less than 20,000, then red. And we have to end this part. Okay, now look at this. This calculation is valid. If you missed out something like end here, right, what will happen? It will give you error like this. Now if that is the case, now what you do? You have to use this if syntax. Look at this. Okay, if syntax you have to follow. See, look at this. Okay, if profit greater than 0, then something like this. Okay, you have to follow that syntax. If not, use your errors. Okay, fine, apply and then OK. Now what am I going to do? Look at this. That sales is fine. Okay. Sales. And what is another one, guys? I told you about category or subcategory. Whatever it is. Subcategory. Now what happened? Right. What happened here? Again. Now this multiple condition automatically does like this. Okay. Now look at this rule. Right. And if you want, you can change the values. Okay. So this is the way, guys. You can change the colors as per your need basis. So in this way, you can define. And on top of it again, right, if you want again, whatever you want, you can perform it. No restrictions at all, like, you can choose whatever on top of it. But depends upon the need basis we are going to perform this. Something. Okay. So in this way, we can define multiple conditional format also. And guys, within the same conditional format, what not? You can write down different cases of your values. Different cases. It's absolutely possible. Okay. Different. You can write down as case statement also. I'm going to show you that case statement, how we can return all those things.